Hello and welcome once again to the 3-day weather forecast. The last 24 hours till date has been dry over the northern and central parts of the country without rains over these areas, while the southern parts of the country down to the Atlantic Ocean has been humid with cloudiness over these areas and prospects for rains. We expect these conditions to continue in the next 72 hours. And so for the rest of Monday, we expect the northern parts of the country to be sunny and partly cloudy with prospects for thunderstorms over places around Jos in Plateau State and also the FCT Abuja. However, these thunderstorms may not be accompanied with rains. Over the southern parts of the country, we expect cloudy conditions with intervals of sunshine. However, much later in the day from the afternoon to the evening and night hours, we expect the cloudiness to produce some thunderstorms with rains in parts of Warri, Port Harcourt, and also parts of Ikeja in Lagos State. Temperatures are expected to hit 40 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Celsius over Sokoto, and 38 over Katsina, Nguru, and also Potiskum, as well as Kaduna states, while Maiduguri is expected to be 39 degrees Celsius. The lowest temperature during the day over the north is expected over Jos at 32 degrees Celsius, while the southern parts of the country are expected to experience temperatures between the range of 32 degrees Celsius over Akure to about 35 degrees Celsius in Port Harcourt, Warri, Enugu, and Ikom areas. For our air quality forecast, most places in the north and central Nigeria that appear in orange color extending from Maiduguri in Borno State in the northeast down to Adamawa and Taraba states, and also parts of Nasarawa, Benue, FCT, Niger State, and also Sokoto and Zamfara areas are expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, while the southern states down to the coastal areas are expected to have moderate air quality index without any serious threat to the health of persons living around these areas. By Tuesday, we still expect the northern parts of the country to be sunny in partly cloudy conditions, with temperatures likely to increase slightly to 41 degrees Celsius over Sokoto, while Katsina and Kano are expected to experience temperatures of 40 degrees Celsius as well as Potiskum areas. We expect Abuja to record temperatures of 36 degrees Celsius in partly cloudy to cloudy conditions, which may produce some thundery activities over the FCT, Abuja, and also over Makurdi and parts of Lokoja areas. We expect the southern parts of the country to have higher prospects because of the cloudiness and the influx of moist winds from the Atlantic Ocean into these areas. It leaves prospects for thunderstorms over places like Port Harcourt and also part of Warri in Delta State. We also expect Benin and Ikeja areas of Lagos to experience thunderstorms, which may be accompanied with rains. Temperatures are expected to range between 32 degrees Celsius over Akure to about 34 degrees Celsius over Port Harcourt, Ikom, and Enugu areas on Tuesday. For our air quality forecast, we still expect most parts of the north to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for sensitive group of persons, especially places around Katsina, Kano, Maiduguri, and also parts of Gombe, Jos, the FCT, and also Zamfara and Sokoto areas. While places that appear in yellow are expected to have moderate air quality index that is not likely to pose any threat to the health of persons living around the southern states, extending from Rivers State in the southeast down to Lagos State in the southwest. By Wednesday, we expect a further increase in temperature over the northern parts of the country because of the cloudless skies. And so sunny conditions are expected to prevail dominantly over most parts of the north. But as we move towards the central parts of the country, we expect to see partly cloudy conditions, which may become cloudy and produce some thundery activities much later in the day over parts of Jos in Plateau State, Abuja, the FCT areas, and also parts of Kogi, Nasarawa State, and Nasarawa State. We expect temperatures over Maiduguri to be 41 degrees Celsius, as well as Potiskum, while Nguru is expected to be 42 degrees Celsius. Temperatures over Abuja is expected to be 35 degrees Celsius, similar to places around the central states, Lokoja, Makurdi, and also part of the southwestern states are expected to experience 35 degrees Celsius temperatures during the day. For the southern parts of the country, lower temperatures are expected during the day and expected to range between 32 degrees Celsius to about 34 degrees Celsius over Ikom and Enugu areas. Warri is also expected to be 34 degrees Celsius in cloudy conditions with prospects for thunderstorms over these areas. This is where we'll conclude our 3-day weather forecast. I remain Paul Ugba. Thanks for watching and see you again.